Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you will fine and I welcome you to the science class for class 8, and today we are going to discuss the remaining thing that we left in the previous class. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so in a previous class we learned about the reaction of metal and non-metals with oxygen, oxygen, and we saw that the metal they react with oxygen and they form oxide, their oxide. Okay, yes, like the iron react with the oxygen present in atmosphere. Okay, iron, it react with oxygen and they form iron oxide. Okay, that is actually the rust. Okay, yes, then we saw that the magnesium react with oxygen and it burn in the presence of air or oxygen, and it form MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay, yes, and third we saw that the copper, it react with oxygen and it form copper oxide. Okay, which is green in color, which is green in deposit you may find on the utensils, जो भी बर्तन होते हैं कॉपर के. So if after keeping it for some time you will see that there are green patches. Okay, उस पे green ऐसे patches आ जाते हैं. So what are they are actually the oxide. Okay, yes. So the thing is here to remember that when metal react with oxygen, they form their oxide, and their oxide, okay, and their oxide is when we test with acid and bases. Okay, so it we see that their oxide are basic in nature. Okay, whereas if you if you react this sulfur, when sulfur burn in the presence of air, it forms sulfur oxide, and this oxide, the which is non-metal. Okay, this is non-metal. Okay, so we can say when you taste this sulfur oxide, the acidity or the basicity, so you will find that these are acid in nature. Okay, so you can say that the metals oxide are acid in nature. Okay, yes. Then next was water. Okay, so we saw that the metal, they react with the water either slow, either vigorously, or either slow. Okay, but they react. Most of the metal react with the water, but a non-metal, they do not react with the water. Okay, non-metal, they do not react with the water. Okay, yes. Then third is here we are reaction with acids. Okay, yes, so the metal, most of the metal react with acid and produce hydrogen gas which burn with the pop of sound. Okay, yes, so let's understand. Okay, and if we talk about the non-metal, so non-metal generally do not react with acid. Okay, yes, just like in case of water. So non-metal are not, they do not react with the water, they do not react with the acid. Okay, yes. So here take this liquid part is HCl, dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, and we have put some zinc. Okay, yes. So when this zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it forms zinc chloride. Okay, and then this hydrogen, it got free. Okay, yes, so this hydrogen, it is this hydrogen escape in the form, ये इससे अलग हो जाता है. जिंक हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड में जो H है, जो हाइड्रोजन है, ये क्लोरीन से अलग हो जाता है और ये हाइड्रोजन गैस बन जाती है, और ये इस डिलीवरी ट्यूब से यहाँ से होके यहाँ आ जाती है. ठीक है, एंड हियर इट इज़ अ सोप सॉल्यूशन. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत बार हम लोग ऐसे इंटरटेन के लिए ऐसे ग्लास में सोप सॉल्यूशन लेके अगर एक पाइप से इसमें ब्लो करते हैं तो इसमें से बबल्स खूब ढेर सारे ऐसे निकलते हैं. ओके, yes, so same thing happen here also. When this hydrogen gas passes through this, okay, here is the soap solution. So this gas when it escape, जब ये बाहर निकलती है तो ये बबल्स के फॉर्म में से बाहर निकलती है. ओके, yes. सो हम टेस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे अगर कैंडल लाते हैं तो ये बर्स्ट हो जाता है, जलता है, और जब जलता है तो एक साउंड पॉप करके प्रोड्यूस करता है. ओके, yes, that is why it is said it produces a pop sound. Okay, yes, and it is confirmed that it is a hydrogen gas. Okay, yes. But in case of if we put here in any non-metal, so like sulfur, it will not produce any hydrogen gas. Okay, and it will do not react. Okay, yes. So next is a reaction with bases. Okay, so it is something like previous one. Okay, so metals react with the bases. Okay, and produces salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, here also they are producing hydrogen gas. Okay, so and non-metal, they react with bases and do not form any gas. They form salt and water. Okay, just like in neutralization. Okay, when acid and base react. Okay, yes. So when non-metal react with bases, they form salt and water. Okay, no any other gas, and they are very complex process. Okay, yes, they are a very complex process. It is not just single step, you will add this and you will add this in non-metal and it will form. Okay, there are many steps in that. Okay, yes. So take the example, this is sodium hydroxide NaOH, and you have added zinc chloride. Okay, zinc granule. Okay, okay, yes. So what happen here, the hydrogen gas form, and when this hydrogen gas will come from here, it will form, this is the soap solution, soap water. So this hydrogen will come out with the form of bubbles, and you when you will bring candle, it will burn with a pop-up sound. Okay, here also it produces a pop-up sound. Okay, yes. So it is very clear that here also metal react with bases, metal react with acid, and metal react with water. Okay, and non-metal, they do not react with the water, they do not react with the acid, they do not they do not react with the acid, and but they react with the bases. Okay, here they react with bases. Okay, here they react with bases, but they do not produce any hydrogen gas. Okay, yes. Then a displacement reaction. Okay, so what is displacement reaction? Okay, so suppose there is a desk. Okay, and one chair. Okay, so on this chair one student is sitting, and another student come who is and who talk to him, and he just he'll leave the space and he sit there. Okay, yes. So what is this? This is a displacement. One is going, one is leaving the space, and the other is sitting there. Okay, yes, something like happen in this chemicals also. Okay, okay, yes. So a displacement reaction is the one where atom or a set of atoms displaced by another atom in a molecule. What do you mean molecule? जब दो elements एक साथ मिल जाते हैं तो they are called the molecule. Okay, so इसमें दो atom है, दो element के atom है, एक A है, एक ये B है, और एक तीसरा इसमें आ गया है, ये है C. Okay, सो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जो A है इसको, जो C है इसको हटा के ये जो C है यहाँ पे आ जा रहा है, और ये C और B एक साथ हो जा रहे हैं, B और C एक साथ हो जा रहे हैं, और ये अलग हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे समझते हैं जैसे यहाँ पे दो स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं. ओके, टू स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग देयर. ओके, यस, and one student come in the class and he say that this is my place. Okay, yes. So he say no, there is no such rule that this is your place. Okay, I got the place and I have sitting here. उसने कहा कि मैं यहाँ पे, मुझे जगह मिला और मैं यहाँ बैठ गया. ओके, सो लेकिन अभी क्या होगा, रूल्स तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. सो व्हाट ही इज strong. Okay, he is physically and he is brilliant. Okay, he is strong. Okay, so what he can do, they can fight with each other, or simply he will agree that I should, ये ऐसा मान जाएगा कि मुझे हट जाना चाहिए, ना तो फिर फाइट हो सकती है. ओके, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये यहाँ से हट जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे जाकर बैठ जाएगा. ओके, सो ऐसे ही कुछ होता है मेटल्स के साथ में. ठीक है, यस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे दो मेटल है ए और बी. जब इस सी मेटल आया तो ए मेटल को हटा के सी जो है यहाँ पे बैठ गया. ठीक है, तो बी और सी एक साथ हो गए और ए कहीं दूसरी जगह पे चला गया. ठीक है, यस. इसको डिटेल में समझेंगे. Yes, here, in here. So suppose here we have a flask. Okay, in that flask we have a copper sulfate CuSO4 प्लस इसमें हमने ऐड कर दिया Fe. ओके, सो क्या होगा कि ये जो Fe है ये Cu को हटा देगा और यहाँ Fe इसके साथ SO4 के साथ में खुद आ जाएगा Fe. ओके, सो क्या हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन FeSO4 और जो कॉपर है ये अलग हो जाएगा. ओके, यस. सो ही सी हियर, जैसे कि ये था Fe था, ये दोनों जो है ये इसमें जो ग्रीन है ये Cu है और जो वॉयलेट है वो SO4 है. ओके, सभी क्या हो रहा है, ये जो ग्रीन है मतलब जो Cu है वो अलग हो जा रहा है और जो Fe है और SO4 है वो एक साथ हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, यस. So you can see here Fe, it replaces the Cu. Okay, so how this happened, this depends upon the reactivity. Okay, जैसे हर एक बॉय एक जैसे नहीं होते, हर एक स्टूडेंट एक जैसा नहीं होता है. किसी की इंटेलिजेंसी ज़्यादा होती है, किसी की इंटेलिजेंसी कम होती है, कोई फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होता है, कोई फिजिकली स्ट्रांग नहीं होता है. ओके, so it depend upon their ability. Okay, if they are able to replace the element which is already engaged with some other element. Okay, so अगर ये एबल है, इसकी कैपेसिटी इसको रिमूव करने की, तो इसको रिमूव करके यहाँ पे खुद आ जाएगा. वो कैसे, यहाँ पे देखते हैं. जो पोटेशियम होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल होता है, या ऐसे बोल सकते तो मोस्ट रिएक्टिव होता है. ओके, यस. देन सोडियम, आफ्टर दैट देन कैल्शियम, देन मैग्नीशियम, देन एल्यूमिनियम, देन कार्बन, देन जिंक. Okay, then iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold, platinum. Okay, so you can see here the copper, silver, gold are very less reactive. Okay, yes. So see in this example, Cu, where is Cu? Copper. Here is the copper, and Fe, that is iron. So you can see here iron is more powerful, more reactive. Okay, and copper is less reactive. Okay, yes. So this will replace him. Okay, but if the things are opposite. Okay, suppose you have FeSO4, पहले से ऑलरेडी FeSO4 है और उसमें आपने जिंक ऐड किया, तो ये जिंक ये Fe को रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये वीक है इसके कंपेयर में. ठीक है, Fe के कंपेयर में Fe जो है ऑलरेडी स्ट्रांग है. ओके, और जो कॉपर है वो इससे कम स्ट्रांग है. ओके, वीक है. तो ये कॉपर जो है Fe जो आयरन है उसको रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता. ओके, यस. देन नेक्स्ट इज uses of metal. So you already know that we have a number of uses in our daily life. You see such a wide uses of metal. Okay, so let's see some few of them. Okay, like iron, it is used in making pins, nails, nuts, bolts. Okay, nuts, bolts, tools, many type of tools. Okay, then machines, then construction of building, the bar which is used in building. Okay, yes. Then bridges. Okay, yes. The rod which is iron rod is used. Okay, yes. Then aluminium, where aluminium is used, it is making utensils. Okay, बहुत सारे बर्तन बनाए जाते हैं इससे, वायर बनाए जाते हैं, then फर्नीचर बनाए जाते हैं, पार्ट ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट. ओके, सो जो एल्यूमिनियम होता है काफ़ी इसकी वेट जो होता है काफ़ी हल्का होता है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ यूज्ड इन एयरक्राफ्ट. ओके, यस. देन इट इज़ यूज्ड इन फर्नीचर, देन व्हीकल्स, देन जो व्हीकल्स के बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं मोस्टली वो इससे बना जाते हैं. देन मशीन्स बहुत सारे. देन फूड पैकेजिंग एंड मेडिसिन. ओके, सो फूड पैकेजिंग, यस, you may have seen silver foil. Okay, silver foil which is used to wrap the any eatable food. Okay, yes. So that is actually made up of aluminum. Okay, yes. Then next is copper. It is used for making wire. Okay, so copper in chemically it is not very reactive, but electrically it is very good conductor. Okay, among all metals it is very good conductor. Okay, yes. Then that is why you have seen that most of the copper wire are made up of copper. Okay, yes. Then vessels बनाए जाते हैं, बर्तन बनाए जाते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट्स बहुत सारे कॉपर से बना जाते हैं. ओके, यस. Then gold and silver, they are used in jewelry, then coin and medals. Okay, yes, gold medal, silver medal. Okay, yes. Then platinum, it is used for making jewelry, then electric gadgets, then plug-in vehicles. Okay, yes. Then sodium, it is used in a common salt, then some chemicals. Okay. Then calcium, it is used in making cement, glass, and etc. Okay, yes. So these are very important uses of metals. Okay, yes. Let's see uses of non-metals. So non-metals are like sulfur. Okay, it is used for making sulfuric acid and some other chemicals. Okay, then oxygen is a non-metal. Okay, it is used by us, that is living organism, for our respiration. Okay, that is why we are alive. Okay, and it is also used for help in the burning of anything. Okay, yes, combustion we can say. Then nitrogen, it is used in fertilizers. Okay, actually we convert this nitrogen into ammonia, and then this ammonia is used in fertilizer. Okay, जो खेतों में fertilizer use करते those. Then hydrogen, it is used in fuel in rockets and welding machines. Okay, so you have seen that the fire, very rapid fire, okay, to cut any metal or to join any metal, it is used. So that is actually the hydrogen gas. Okay, yes. Then chlorine, okay, it is used in purification of water. Okay, by if you have a water in which there are germs, so if you put some chlorine, so it will kill the organisms, germs. Okay, yes, so it will be free from germ. Okay, yes. Then iodine, it is used for making as antiseptic. Okay, yes, so whenever a person got any injury, cut, or any wound, so this iodine, the antiseptic which is prepared from iodine, it is used there. Okay, yes. So these were the things. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, so we finish this chapter here. If you have any doubt, please ask. So here you have some questions. Try to answer them. Like write 5 uses of metal, then 5 uses of non-metal. Explain how metal react with acid and bases. Okay, yes. So you know that the metal react with acid. Okay, and okay, metal, and they also react with bases. Okay, yes, and they produce hydrogen gas. Okay, yes. So in non-metal, they do not react with the acid, but they react with the bases, and they form salt and water. They do not form any type of gas. Okay, yes. So answer these. Okay, so stay fit, stay healthy, stay strong. Okay, and keep studying. Bye bye.